Hello, my name is Omar Villalobos, and in this video, I will be talking about how the change of climate in both North America and Greece has had an effect on the flora. I will also be comparing both regions and climates and their similarities. As we can see in Figure 2, North America during the Tertiary period was closer together and significantly more condensed compared to the way we know it now. During this time, the climate was humid, warm, and more tropical. The warm and cold environments that were prominent in this region is what caused the change in both the flora and fauna of North America. Having plant fossils are extremely helpful to finding the way that the climate changes. Plant fossils show us the past climates and the evolution of the flora in this specific region. Figure 3 shows a map of Greece during the Cenozoic era. This map demonstrates the location of fossils located in Greece during the Cenozoic era. Um, The Cenozoic era had a similar beginning to North America during the Tertiary period. In present-day Greece, the climate is hot, dry, and humid. During the Cenozoic era, the flora in Greece consisted of swampy vegetation, very similar to Louisiana wetlands. The climate was both dry and humid, which is ideal for swamps to thrive in. These environments supported numerous palm trees and ferns. According to Demetrius, the region's vegetation was characterized as swampy forest dominated by palm and ferns. As time passed, the climate in the Cenozoic era got colder and drier, which caused the flora to change as well. The flora changed to oaks, pine cones, and more forests started to appear. The environment also changed as well. The once swampy environment became full of forests with rivers and lakes running through them. Both figures 4 and 5 are fossils that were recovered from Greece during the Cenozoic era. The fossils in figure 4 show the flora during the Paleogene period. As we can see, the fossils look like they come from palm trees and are different from the ones that are in figure 5. The fossils in figure 5 are still from Greece, just from the Neogene period. As we can see, the fossils in figure 5 have jagged edges, which is common in oak and foresty flora and environment. Having these fossils to look at is extremely important to be able to see how the flora in Greece changed over time. This change in climate will affect the temperature tolerance and the flora has, causing the flora to adapt and change. These fossils are different due to the changes of climate and environment that happened during the Cenozoic era. As we can notice, our climate is changing every year. In North America, the climate is changing due to the variety of different states and countries in the continent. The climate in North America is drastically different to how it was during the Tertiary period. Figure 6 and Figure 7 is a map that shows us the middle of the century in both North America and Greece. As we can see in Figure 6, it demonstrates that the temperature in just the United States will be increasing in temperature. Figure 7 demonstrates that the temp in Greece will be 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Since the temp increased in both the early Cenozoic and Tertiary periods to the late Cenozoic and Tertiary periods, it was also a drastic change. We can see how the years past, the same things that happened in the past will continue to happen and cause the flora in the present to change in the future. In conclusion, these two peer review articles helped me increase my knowledge of both North America and Greece during the Cenozoic era and the Tertiary period. We can see that in North America, the climate started off as dry and humid and changed to colder and wetter, which caused the flora to change as well. The flora started off full of palm trees and ferns and changed to oaks and forest. On the other hand, we can see how Greece had a similar change to it. The climate and temperature was also dry and swampy. In the future, the same will happen. The climate will change and continue to evolve, causing the flora to change. Having scientists use plant fossils as paleoproxy records allows for us to study them and see any trends or changes from the flora in the past and now.